Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're making a beautiful flower bookmark string, a delicate and functional crochet project that keeps your books marked in style. It's lightweight, elegant, and perfect as a handmade gift. We'll be using 3mm yarn with a 2.5mm hook. Make sure to follow along until the very end. Your support helps us keep making new tutorials. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started. We'll begin with the heart motif. This part will form the base of our bookmark and add a lovely touch. Make a magic ring. Into the ring, chain 3, then work 3 double crochets, 3 half double crochets, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 3 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, and finally chain 3. Close with a slip stitch into the center. And here's your cute little heart. Don't worry if it feels a little loose, just pull the magic ring tight. Great job! Hearts can be a little tricky, but remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Every stitch is a step toward making it beautiful. Next, we'll create the stem of the bookmark. Simply chain 50. Keep your chains even but relaxed. If you pull too tightly, the stem may curl. That's looking wonderful. A little tip, if you want a longer bookmark, feel free to add extra chains. Now let's crochet the flower at the top of our stem. This is the highlight of our project, so take your time and enjoy it. For round 1, skip the first chain, then make 2 single crochets in the next stitches. Chain 1, then turn your work. This gives us a small foundation for the petals. For round 2, single crochet into the first stitch, then make an increase, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, chain 2, and turn again. This builds up the flower center. For round 3, work 3 double crochets into the next stitch to increase, then chain 2, slip stitch, and chain 1. This creates the start of our petal shape. Now for round 4, the petals. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Chain 3, make 2 treble crochets into the same stitch, chain 3, and slip stitch. This gives us 6 petals in total. And just like that, your flower blossoms at the top of the bookmark. And there you have it. Your flower bookmark string is complete. A sweet heart at the bottom, a long, elegant stem, and a cheerful flower at the top. Perfect for marking your pages in books, journals, or even as a thoughtful handmade gift. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more crochet tutorials. Thank you for crocheting with me today.